Hi guys, in the following tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a gallery for your portfolio using the Porto 2 theme. So there are a few different options for galleries. You can create 4 different view types with Porto 2. But the process for creating a gallery is the same regardless of the layout. So to do that, you will want to first log into your WordPress dashboard, and you will have an option for galleries over here on the left-hand navigation bar. So if you go ahead and go to galleries, you will then be able to add a new gallery. And with this, you can then add your gallery title. So add title. You can add any description or text here. You can select or add new categories over here on the right-hand bar, as well as adding tags. You can also set the featured image. This is recommended, especially if using grid views whenever displaying all of your galleries on a page. So make sure to select one of those and just choose the relevant image for that. You also have the option for a decorative image. For different view types, the decorative image may show. So if you want to add a decorative image to any of your galleries, then you can do so here as well. So add a PNG file here. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see that there is a section for gallery, point 6. There's a how-to section again. This covers the videos on how to create the galleries, just as I'm showing you here. And you are able to do 2 things, either upload only images or upload images and video. So let's take the example of just adding images for you. So if you scroll down and click add to gallery, then it's just a matter of selecting a number of images, or you can drag and drop them to upload them into your gallery. Just hit select, and then you can move them into order again. Maybe there's duplicates if you've added to by accident. You can delete the items that you don't need, move them into order, and it's very simple. Now, if you wanted to just publish that and let it show up on your portfolio page, which would be created with a portfolio listing block, or just a listing block, you would just then hit publish, and that would show up in the relevant page. So for example, here it would show up in our portfolio grid, for example, or any of the listing pages that I have created, and you'll see that we have the new gallery. Again, just make sure to upload that featured image, and then again you will get this nice preview. Now we have the second option for the images. Maybe you wanted to have videos and images. If that is the case, you can just go ahead and click images and videos, and in this case click add image. And if you want to add multiple images and then add video after, you can do so. So let's go ahead and select some images. Just going to select a number here. If you're using a Mac, you can hold command to select multiple images, or as mentioned previously, drag and drop those off your desktop and upload them. Now that the images have been added, you can then simply add a YouTube video embed code or a Vimeo embed code. For example, if I went to YouTube and took one of the videos, and then I go to share, for example, let's have a quick look at a video. Let's take our great friend Ed Sheeran, and you just click share, embed, and select embed code from here. And you can turn off any of the items that you don't want, like the controls, the title, etc. Just select that. Once you've done all of that, you can just hit copy, or as I've done up here, copy this embed code. Then just go ahead and hit embed here. Then update the gallery. And now whenever I come into the single gallery, once it's updated, we will then have a video on the first slide, or any slide that you add video to. So again, it is probably recommended to use a larger image option for that if you want to have that nice panoramic view. And that's it, folks. It's very, very simple to upload videos and images to your portfolio gallery. As mentioned, they will filter into a listing block that will allow you to display them in several locations. Now, there's also one other option that you're able to do, and again, you can see that in the gallery section, and that is actually creating a custom layout for a gallery. So right now we're using the global settings for the gallery view type, so all the galleries as default will have this view type, and it will just remain that way unless you decide you want to have a specific view for this gallery, and in that case you would just turn on this option. So use custom layout for the gallery, and then you have the two options: the template section where you can choose a template. So you can choose one of the templates to quickly set up a gallery of a different view type. So in this case, maybe I want gallery type B, I want that masonry grid with some other blocks and options. So you can go ahead and apply that template, and then it will replace all the blocks in the layout. So yes. If you go to the custom layout section, you'll then see all of these blocks have been applied. Maybe you wanted to extend that further, you could actually go ahead and do that as well, and go to add blocks and add any block in here for whenever you're creating your gallery. And once you've added any block, all you have to do is edit the block and add any details to that. So for example, if it was maybe you've added one with a different featured image, for example, you could go ahead and just update all of the content inside of that block, and then once you're happy with it, just hit update, and then head back over to your gallery, and whenever you view that, you will see the new updated style and layout. And that will only apply to this single gallery, so that will allow you to have maximum flexibility whenever you're creating galleries on your site for creating different views. Maybe you're doing different types of photography and need different needs. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a global style for your galleries. So that is the style that will be present for all of the galleries in your site, except for those that have a custom view type. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, just drop us a message, comment below, and we hope that you're able to set up your galleries nice and easily. Thanks.